We want to find the gradient of the curve y equals x cubed, take away 4x to the half at the point where x equals 4. So begin with the function that we're given, y equals x cubed, take away 4x to the half. We want to find the gradient, and this tells us that we need to differentiate since dy dx is the gradient function of the curve. Dy dx tells us the gradient of the curve at any point. So we're going to differentiate to get dy dx, and this gives us 3x squared, and for this term the half comes down in front, multiplying the minus 4, so we get minus 2x to the minus a half, reducing the power. Rearranging a little, we get 3x squared, take away 2 over x to the half. Notice that the minus has been used, and we should know that x to the half is root x. We can now substitute in the value x equals 4 to find the gradient of the curve where x equals 4. Substituting in, we get 3 times 4 squared, take away 2 over the square root of 4. This is 3 times 16, take away 2 over 2, which is 48 take away 1, and so our gradient is 47.